We are boycotting for the people of Gaza, but people are saying that Gazans people are not boycotting. The truth is people in Gaza are not refusing to boycott. They simply can't. We can't. We don't have the choice. We can't go to a market or a supermarket to decide what to buy or what to not buy. We have only what is allowed to enter Gaza. It's either we eat what is available or we starve. We live like prisoners, eating only what the jailer gives us. It's not about choosing, it's about surviving. Either we eat what they give us or we don't eat at all. We are not like you. We don't have many options or different products to choose from. For more than a year and 4 months, we suffered from hunger, depending on whatever was allowed in. Should we choose not to eat and starve? I wish if we only had that freedom to choose.